I've notified my proctor that I've completed the hose evolution. At this time, I'm going to begin my shutdown procedures. I'm going to notify my firefighter that I'm going to go ahead and shut down his hose line. Shut down! I'm going to return to my pump panel, and I'm going to throttle down my pressure governor. I'm going to turn off my pressure governor. I'm going to start shutting down my hose lines. And I'm going to open up my drain valves. I'm also going to note at this point my water temperature to make sure I'm within normal operating range. After this, I'm going to go and instruct my firefighter to shut down the hydrant. Now I'm going to notify my firefighter to go ahead and shut down the hydrant. Shut down hydrant. I'm going to go ahead and return to the cab to continue my shutdown procedures. Okay, once in the cab, I'm going to go ahead and cover the brake. I'm going to go ahead at this point disengage my pump. I'm going to place the transmission in neutral. I'm going to watch my RPMs drop. I'm going to disengage my pump shift. I'm going to note my water temperature. And I'm going to engage my high idle for 3 to 5 minutes if my water temperature is outside of normal operating temperatures. Now I'm going to return to my pump panel. I'm going to start by wiping all my markings on my gauges nice and clean. I'm going to go ahead and now start shutting down my tank to fill and my tank to pump. Also, I'm going to close my front suction intake. Now I'm going to walk around to the other side and close my other side suction intake. Once on this side, I'm going to go ahead and close my side suction intake. And open appropriate drains. Now I'm going to go ahead and return to the cab. Once returning to the cab, I'm going to go ahead and cover my brake. I'm going to go ahead and acknowledge my water temperature to see that I've had a drop in the 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to disengage my high idle. I'm going to go ahead and shut off my 4-way hazards. I'm going to shut off my outside speaker and shut off my headlights. At this point, I can go ahead and shut down my engine by turning off the ignition switch and turning off the battery switch. Now I'll return to the pump panel. At this point, I'm going to return to my pump panel, closing all my drains. I'm going to complete a safety walk, making sure everything's back accounted for, everything's been picked up, and the apparatus is operational ready.